Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation problem. And here we have a 2 to the power of minus x equals to square root of x, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here in the left hand side we use here the nice exponential law. You know that if we have a to the power of minus m, we write it as 1 over a to the power of plus m. Okay, so according to this law, we write the left hand side of above equation as 1 over 2 to the power of x equals square root of x. Okay, so further in the next step, here we need to move this 2x in the right hand side so that we just multiply both of the sides by 2 to the power of x, and it will be written as 2 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over 2 to the power of x, and you get 2 to the power of x multiplied by square root of x. So further in the next step we have these two terms are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain here 1 is equals to 2 to the power of x is multiplied by square root of x. Okay, so further we just focus on both of the sides, and now here we need to eliminate this square root sign on the right hand side so that we take the squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as 1 square into 2 to the power of x into square root of x and its whole squared. Okay, so here we use another exponential law in the right hand side, and we apply this exponent separately on both of these terms. And in the left hand side you see here the square of 1 is 1, and we apply this exponent on both of these terms, and it will be written as 2 to the power of x and its whole square into square root of x and its whole square. Okay, so further we just apply exponential law and we multiplying these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 2x into this 2 is cancelled out by the square root, and we get x, and here you have 1. So now after that here we I can just introduce the Lambert W function which helpful to solve this equation. So first I will little bit explain about Lambert W function. It is stated as in this form: w of a into e to the power of a is equals to a. So this Lambert W function just stated that if you have these two values are same, then the output of this function becomes a. Okay, so here first we need to make the exponential function with base e and its exponent are multiplied by each other, so that here we first focus on these two, and we write these two as, if we take log and anti-log at the same time on this 2, it will be written as e to the power of log 2. Okay, so now we write this base 2 as e to the power of log 2. Okay, so that our above equation is written as 1 is equals to e to the power of log 2 and its exponent is 2x is multiplied by x. So here after applying exponential law we multiply these two exponents here, and you obtain e to the power of 2x into log 2, and this is our x, and in the left hand side we have only 1. So further in here we make this e base e. So here we make the exponent is 2x log 2 here, but here you have x and we need 2 into log 2, so that now we multiplying on both of the sides by 2 times of log 2. So our above equation is written as 2 times of log 2 is equals to 2x into log 2, and here you have e to the power of 2x into log of 2. And now after that Here we again make here we need to focus in the left hand side, and we make this 2 log 2 in the form of this one. So here again we write this 2 in the form of exponents, and we write it as e to the power of log 2 into we write this in this form, and this is our log of 2 is equals to 2x into log 2 multiplied by e to the power of 2x into log 2. Okay, so now we are ready to apply the Lambert W function on both of the sides. Here we can apply this Lambert W function, and it will be written as w of log 2 into e to the power of log 2 is equals to w of 2x log 2 into e to the power of 2x log of 2. Okay, so after this step, here the output of this function will be written as log of 2, and the output of this function is written as 2x into log of 2. Okay, so here our target is to find the value of x, so that now we divide both of the sides by log 2 because this is the common term. So we divide both of the sides by log of 2, and this is 2x log of 2 divided by log of 2. Okay, so further this log 2 is cancelled out by this log 2, this is cancelled out by this log 2, and we obtain 1 is equals to 2x. So this value is implies that the value of x is equals to 1 over 2. So this is the final answer of this question. And now in the next step we check this solution. Is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not? So in order to verify the given equation, so that here we first copy down the given question statement. So given question statement is 2 to the power of minus x equals to square root of x. This is our given question statement, and now we substitute the value of x. So in above we find the value of x is 1 over 2, so we write it as 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2 is equals to square root of 1 over 2. So this is the negative exponent. When we move in the downside, it will becomes positive 2 to the power of 1 over 2, and here we separate this square root sign, and it will be written as 1 over 2 square root. Okay, so we write this 1 over 2 into the radical form, so it is written as 1 over 2 square root equals to 1 over 2 square root. So this shows that the value of x, which is 1 over 2, is satisfy the given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.